All right, good morning, everybody. So we're here in Mary Ann's Diner in Derry to start the Memorial Day weekend. This is Saturday morning. Gonna head up to Waterville Valley, and then we're gonna go to just run the Kangamangas and then bring it back down. It should be a short day, just maybe 6-7 hours. Not a long day. First really good run for the year for me. I've been just working and doing that thing. So yeah, so like I said, here is I can't see it, but it's Mary Ann's Diner, one of our favorite breakfast stops here in Derry. So yeah, so we're not going to waste any time, so let's get to it. Hope you enjoy the ride. Later. Okay, so yeah, so here we are at the bottom of, well, 175 and 49. We're about to take 49 up to Waterville. I hope this is coming through good. I hope you can hear it because of the sound of the little waterfall over here. But yeah, so it's Saturday, Memorial Day weekend. Gonna get up there and just enjoying the day riding. Hope everybody else is having fun. Have a good, safe Memorial Day, and I'll catch you guys later on in the ride. Hey everyone, so here we are, just up the road in Waterville Valley, and yeah, so I've been here before. It's a pretty cool place. I'll take you through and see, but you can get a little shot of the mountains around and everything here. So it's pretty good. It's all right. Sounds like we got some music going on in there, so that would not surprise me. So let's go in and see what we got in there. Alright, well, let's see what we got here. So we're here in Waterville Valley. I know you probably can't hear me because we got this band playing over here. This is where we had lunch. Let's see if we can find the name of it. La Hacienda Mexicana. Pretty good lunch. Not bad. But now we're gonna come over here and get a double espresso. And then we're gonna head up to the Kangamangas. So we'll catch you up there. Peace.